guys, my name is Rivan and you're seeing my channel Time Pass, and I would like to wish you all a happy Science Day. And on behalf of this day, I am doing a very simple project and it is a tribute to C.V. Raman sir. In this video, I will be discussing how to make a very simple women safety device with a simple mosquito bat. And see my previous video by touching my channel's name and subscribe this channel after seeing this video till the end and you feel it interesting only. And without any queries, let's get started. The materials required are a mosquito bat obviously, then a gloves, then we will need a small container and a plug. This plug you will get it in any electrical shop. So we will see how to make it. Now you have to take a screwdriver and unscrew the screws. You can also use a scissor for doing so. As you can see, this is our circuit inside the mosquito bat. So now I will explain you what are these. Here this is the lead acid battery, this one. And here these wires are this plug. As you can see here, don't get confused. If you do any mismatching, then it will be very dangerous. And these wires are this one. After removing it, it will be very short. You can increase the length by adding the wire. So this is the circuit inside the mosquito bat. Now we will go how to fix it inside this box. So this is a circuit, and now these pins you can see here, no? You will get confused where it is. So this is the plug part. When you open this, you will get these two like this. So don't get confused. Okay, this is the part. Now we will be putting it inside our box. Now before putting it inside here like this, I will be cutting a small rectangular piece here, because we will be keeping these two wires on it, because when we close this might get cut. So that is the reason we will be cutting a small rectangular piece. See this, then you will understand. I will be doing the same for this side also. After making a rectangular cut here, as you can see here, I have cut a bit so that it can sit easily here, and when we close, it will not disturb these wires. See, like this. I have done the same even on this side also. And then I have done one more change. That is, I have cut a small rectangle here and here. Because you can see here two switches, right? To operate them, I have made these two switches. So when we close this box, we can on like this. So these are the changes I have done now. So to remind you, I have cut here, and this too. Take your plug and unscrew it. Then here you will find a small part. Now you have to put these two pins inside this. Put one by one. See, just like this. Now here you will find these two metal pieces. Now take each pin and put this one inside this hole, and then you have to screw it with a screw. See here the groove is, then you have to screw it. Do the same with other side also. See, I have done that. Now put these two pins like this. Here you can see a small cut. So on that you have to put. And make sure that this screw lies here, between this gap. Okay. Keep it like this. And pull your this component. Here. Fix it. Now you have to keep the roof, and then you have to screw it. In the next step, you have to fix this circuit and the battery to this in such a way that this switch will come into the hole. See, now I will be able to operate and the circuit will not move away. And here also I can operate this button easily, on and off. So till now everything is ready. So here we will be charging, and from here we will be giving shock. So this is how we do, and next we will be using a gloves, and we will fix this part to this gloves. Our circuits are ready and we have put it inside. Then take your gloves, and I have two aluminum pieces. These two wires, I will be connecting each wire to each piece, so that when these two pieces come in contact with each other, they will allow current to pass through them. So when we touch someone, then they will get shock. So if you don't have these aluminum pieces, you can also use the same mosquito bats net, this one. Instead of this, we will be using this net. Now I will be saying how to use these aluminum pieces.
Take the wire and make a small U. See, like this. Now take the aluminum piece and put it on it. Put it inside it. See, you can see on the screen, right? Now we will be putting it, and we will stick it to the gloves with the help of double tape.
As you can see on the screen that I have stuck these two aluminum pieces with a double tape, and I have tied these two wires with a tape so that it looks nice. And this is our women safety device. Through here we will be charging this circuit, and here we will be on and offing. If we press this button and touch any person, then he will get shocked. It is very painful, and this is how we make women safety device. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and if this was useful, then it worth a subscription.